What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to do a video that's a little bit different, and that is talking about different cryptocurrencies via a whiteboard and discussing them in details for educational purposes. So if you're someone that's looking to learn about crypto, I hope these videos help. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing, and always smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's go ahead and get started. So Cardano. It is a decentralized, open source, blockchain and cryptocurrency project that is focused on providing a secure and scalable platform for the development and execution of smart contracts and decentralized applications. It was created in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum, mind you, and is developed by the blockchain research and development company IOHK. Cardano uses a proof of stake or POS consensus mechanism, which allows network participants to validate transactions and create new blocks in the blockchain by staking their ADA tokens, the native cryptocurrency of the Cardano network. This approach is designed to be more energy efficient and environmentally friendly compared to the proof of work mechanism used by many other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. Cardano also has a multi-layer architecture with separate layer for the settlement of transactions and then another layer for the execution of smart contracts. This separation of concerns is intended to improve scalability and allow the implementation of upgrades and improvements to the network without disrupting the underlying settlement layer. Overall, Cardano, of course, aims to provide a decentralized, secure, and scalable platform for the development applications of smart contracts, while also being committed to ongoing research and development. So let's quickly dive into some of the use cases, or I should say potential use cases, of Cardano. Financial applications. Cardano's decentralized and secure platform can be used to facilitate financial transactions such as peer-to-peer payments, remittance, and asset management. Supply chain management, another use case. Smart contracts on Cardano can be used to track and verify the movement of goods through a supply chain, improving efficiency and, most importantly, transparency. Number 3, identity verification. Cardano's platform can be used to create decentralized identity verification systems, allowing individuals to securely and privately control their own personal information. Especially with how things are around the internet, this is extremely important today. So again, those are just a few of many different applications for Cardano, and I appreciate you guys' support as always. Make sure you smash the like button as mentioned before. Consider subscribing, and that's all I have for you guys today. So until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.